Welcome to this tutorial on adding a comment section to your WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to integrate a discussion area into your website in just 5 minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. This initial step sets the stage for accessing your account and making the necessary modifications to your site. Once you are on the WordPress site, you will notice a login option in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. This action opens up the authentication options available to you, ensuring that only authorized users can make changes to the website. For a seamless experience, choose the option that says Continue with Google. Upon selecting this, you will be prompted to choose your account. This method simplifies signing in by connecting your existing Google credentials to your WordPress account. After logging in, your screen will display the dashboard that allows you to navigate and manage your website. Look for a section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, locate and click on Edit Site. This button is crucial as it guides you directly into the site editor, where you can make real-time changes. The editor interface is designed to be user-friendly, providing an intuitive way to update your website without needing extensive technical knowledge. Within the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will see a plus icon which signifies the ability to add new elements to your page. Click on the plus icon to access the available elements that you can insert into your site layout. The tool is designed to help you customize your website efficiently, and the plus icon is your gateway to additional functionalities. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar appears. In this search field, type in the word comment. The search will promptly filter the available options and display an element that allows visitors to interact with your site through comments. The addition of a comment section provides an opportunity for feedback and discussion, enabling you to foster community engagement on your website. Once you see the comment element in the search results, click on it to add this interactive feature to your website. This action automatically embeds the comment section into your page layout, making it visible as part of your website. Users visiting your site will now have the ability to leave their thoughts and feedback using the comment section, significantly enhancing the interactive aspect of your content. Finally, it is essential to secure your changes by saving your work. Look to the top right corner of the screen where you will find a Save button. Click this button to store all modifications to your website. Saving your changes ensures that the new comment section is properly integrated and remains available for your visitors. This concludes the process of adding the comment section to your WordPress website. Enjoy the improved engagement on your site as your audience begins to interact through comments.